Welcome to ClearTask. Today we are taking a look at TrendSpider, a premier technical analysis platform built for active traders and serious investors who want to replace manual charting with fast, data-driven automation. If you are tired of drawing lines and guessing market movements, TrendSpider offers a major execution advantage. Its core strength lies in its powerful charting automation. The platform automatically draws smart trend lines, identifies candlestick patterns, and plots Fibonacci levels with mathematical precision. This completely removes human subjectivity from your technical analysis and saves you hours of screen time. You also get Multi-Timeframe Analysis, or MFTA, allowing you to view long-term trends on your short-term charts seamlessly. But TrendSpider isn't just about charting. It acts as an intelligent trading partner. You can use its no-code strategy tester to backtest your ideas against historical data in seconds. Once you find a strategy that works, you can easily set up dynamic multi-factor alerts or deploy AI trading bots for automated execution. This ensures you never miss a critical entry or exit point, even when you step away from your desk. Another standout feature is their proprietary Raindrop Charts, which provide a unique visualization of volume and price action, giving you deeper insights into market sentiment. Plus, the platform includes a sidekick AI assistant to quickly answer strategy questions, build custom indicators without coding, and provide instant chart insights. When it comes to pricing, TrendSpider operates on a premium model with tiers including standard, premium, enhanced, and advanced. While it requires a financial commitment and has a slight learning curve due to its massive toolset, the time saved and the edge gained easily justify the cost for serious traders. You are essentially paying to automate your workflow. If you are ready to upgrade your trading setup, TrendSpider is a top-tier choice. If this review helped, hit the like button and subscribe to ClearTask for more software insights. Stay smart and stay prepared.